By now in Captain del Empise, the ocean will be an as well, and here in Indian Ocean, the sunshine cooling down. Maybe down in Asia, the sunshine holding lights, and in Cavite, my home place, I miss this place tonight. Christmas Captain del Pieces, oh, 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 it's lonely and above, but I don't. Merry Christmas from Captain del Pieces to anyone out there. It's windy in this ocean, oh no, 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 ships about to roll. It's creepy and a homesick. Can imagine how dollar can take. In Magdala, India, to my hometown Philippines, and all across the nation, peaceful Christmas time. Christmas in Captain del Pieces, oh, 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 it's lonely and above, but I don't. Merry Christmas from Captain del Pieces, and to anyone out there, and from Port Magdala, India, Merry Christmas to all of you tonight. From Captain del Pieces, thank you.